Hey everyone, myself Naresh Rajput and I'm second year undergraduate student at IIT Roorkee. Today in this video, I'm going to share about my experience from the fest. Most of you guys know IITs का फेस्ट बहुत अच्छा होता है, तो आज अपन इस वीडियो में जानेंगे IIT रूरकी का सबसे बड़ा फेस्ट THOMSO'. THOMSO' is North India's biggest cultural fest, where students from over 200 plus colleges unite for an electrifying experience, packed with thrilling competition, cultural performances, and live shows by popular stars. It's a massive celebration of creativity, talent, and entertainment. Forgot about Netflix and Hotstar. THOMSO' is where the real drama happens, live and unfiltered. I was super excited about this. I don't want to miss any of these events. So I just walked for 3 complete days and I tried to cover each and every events, workshops and concert for last 3 days.
Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make the microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat.
Hello guys, कैसा है हालचाल? थॉमसो में मजे कर रहे?
We are from Quantum University Roorkee. Okay, so according to my opinion from last year, this year when I don't literally मतलब इस टाइम पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स कम थे तो अभी हमको इतना enjoyment नहीं हुआ बट या पहले के टाइम से अभी काफ़ी चीज़ें और एक्सप्लोर करी है हमने बट इट इज़ गुड.
This was my first time and my experience was good, but this time there were so many strict rules. And event was also good and we have explored so much. The experience was good.
बहुत सुंदर सुंदर लड़कियाँ आई हुई हैं जी, बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कन्या आई हुई हैं. उनको देखकर, जो कि बिल्कुल पढ़ाकू नहीं थी, उनको देखकर हमारा मन खुश हुआ और 3 दिन बहुत अच्छे से देखा. आगे भी अगर आती रहे तो हमें अच्छा लगेगा.
Concert, day one concert.
Yes, they were
Day one concerts and some few activities.
events,
Cosplay. Yeah.
some events.
The fan connect event was very good. We all met Nikhil and Aniket.
Fine, thank you ma'am.